Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. Welcome to Forward Public School e-learning class 5th, subject English Literature, chapter 4, Importance of Female Education, book exercises, part 2, and I'm your teacher Fiona Kokab. Now open book page number 49, take out your pencils and start doing book exercises. Look at part B, grammar. Interrogative pronouns. The words who, whom, whose, what, and which are called interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Students, ऐसे अल्फाज जो सवाल करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं उनको interrogative pronouns कहा जाता है, जैसे who, whom, whose, what and which. ये सारे अल्फाज सवाल करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. Now we will discuss interrogative pronouns one by one. Who is used to ask questions about people. Who लोगों के बारे में सवाल करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Look at the example. Who is that? ये कौन है? Who is he talking to? वो किससे बात कर रहा है? Here, who is using as an interrogative pronoun. Look at another one. Whom. Whom is rarely seen these days, but it is used to ask questions about people. Whom का इस्तेमाल बहुत कम हो रहा है आजकल, लेकिन ये भी लोगों के बारे में सवाल करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Look at the example. Whom are you playing with? तुम किसके साथ खेल रहे हो? Whom do you prefer to vote for? तुम किसको वोट देने के लिए मुंतखब करोगे? Here, whom is using as an interrogative pronouns. Now turn page to 50. Look at another interrogative pronoun. Which, यानी कौन सा. Which is used to ask questions about people or objects. Which भी हम लोगों और चीज़ों के बारे में सवाल करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Look at the example. Which of these bags is yours? इसमें से कौन सा बैग तुम्हारा है. Next, which of these children is your son? इन बच्चों में से कौन सा तुम्हारा बेटा है. Now move to another one. Whose. Whose, किसका या किसकी. Whose is used to ask questions about people or objects always related to possession. Whose भी हम लोगों और चीज़ों के बारे में सवाल करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Whose umbrella is this? ये छतरी किसकी है. Whose sweater is this? ये स्वेटर किसका है. Next, what यानी क्या. What is used to ask questions about people or objects. What भी हम लोगों और चीज़ों के बारे में सवाल करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Look at the example. What is your dog's name? तुम्हारे कुत्ते का क्या नाम है. What do you want for dinner? आप रात के खाने में क्या खाना पसंद करेंगे. Students, these were all interrogative pronouns which we have discussed. Now look at another exercise. Listening and speaking. Complete the following sentences using one of the question words and practice the dialogue in pairs. Students, these are the dialogues between two friends. One is Faizan and the other one is Aslam. So you have to write the correct question words in the blank to complete these dialogues. Faizan, hi Aslam, dash are you? Hi Aslam, आप कैसे हैं? Write how in the blank. Aslam, I am fine thanks, dash are you? मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया, आप कैसे हैं? So write how in the blank again. Faizan, dash did you spend your vacation? तुमने अपनी छुट्टियाँ कहाँ गुजारी? Write where in the blank. Aslam, oh we went to Murray, हम मरी गए थे. Faizan, dash was the weather there. वहाँ का मौसम कैसा था? Write how in the blank. Aslam, really cool, we enjoyed it. बहुत ठंडा, हमने बहुत लुत्फ उठाया. फैज़ान, Dash did you do in Murray? तुमने मरी में क्या किया? Write what in the blank? Aslam, I learned how to swim. मैंने सीखा कि कैसे तैरा जाता है. फैज़ान, That's good. Dash taught you. बहुत अच्छे. तुम्हें किसने सिखाया? Write who in the blank? Aslam, my cousin, he has come from Lahore. मेरे कज़न ने, वो लाहौर से आया है. फैज़ान, Dash is he going back? वो कब वापस जाएगा? Write when in the blank? Aslam, he will go back to Lahore on 25th May. वो 25 मई को लाहौर वापस जाएगा. Now come to page number 51. Look at exercise B. Answer these questions. Students, this is a very interesting exercise. You have to write about your own self in this exercise. As you can see that I have already done these answers for you, but I have left spaces in which you have to write about your own self. Number 1, Assalamu alaikum. What is your name? आपका क्या नाम है? Walaikum assalam. My name is Dash. मेरा नाम Dash है. You have to write your name in this dash. Number 2, where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? I live in dash. मैं dash में रहता हूँ. Students, you have to write about the place where you live in this answer. Number 3, how old are you? आपकी उम्र क्या है? I am dash years old. मैं dash साल की हूँ या मैं dash साल का हूँ. You have to write about your age in this answer. Number 4, who else do you have in your family? आपके ख़ानदान में आपके अलावा कौन कौन है? I have dash. Students, in this answer you have to write about your family members. Number 5, what does your father do? आपके वालिद क्या करते हैं? My father is a dash. In this answer you have to write about your father's profession. Number 6, what does your mother do? आपकी वालदा क्या करती है? My mother is a dash. Students, in this answer you have to write about your mother's profession. Number 7, which class do you study in? आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ती हैं या पढ़ते हैं? I study in class 5th. मैं जमात पंचम में पढ़ती हूँ या पढ़ता हूँ. Number 8, what would you like to become in future? आप मुस्तकबिल में क्या बनना चाहते हैं या क्या बनना चाहती हैं? I would like to become dash in future. Students, in this answer you have to write about whatever you want to become in a future. Now move on to another exercise, which is reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject of a sentence is the same person as the object of it. For example, in the sentence, she bought herself a red dress. The reflexive pronoun herself refers back to she. Students, first of all, you have to know what are reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. They are all called reflexive pronouns. Now we will understand how to use reflexive pronouns. जब जुमले में सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट एक हो यानी सेम हो तो वहाँ हम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल में देखें, शी बॉट हर सेल्फ अ रेड ड्रेस. शी सब्जेक्ट है, हर सेल्फ ऑब्जेक्ट है जो कि एक ही है, यानी उसने अपने लिए सुर्ख जोड़ा ख़रीदा. तो सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट सेम हुए. यहाँ पे हर सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन की जगह इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. Herself refers to she. She is a female. That's why we are using herself as a reflexive pronoun. Got it? Now we will understand this table. First person singular. क्या है? I, me. So we are using myself as a reflexive pronoun for I, me. Look at plural. As a first person, we, us. ourselves is using as a reflexive pronouns for we and us. Now look at second person as a singular, you. The reflexive pronoun is yourself. Second person as a plural, you. The reflexive pronoun is yourselves. Third person as a singular, he, him. Himself is reflexive pronoun for singular. Now look at she and her, which is using for female. So the reflexive pronoun for third person as a singular is herself. Third person, it. So the reflexive pronoun will be itself as a singular. Look at plural. They, them. They, them, they, them. The reflexive pronoun will be themselves as a plural. Got it? Now look at examples. Number 1, she took herself home in the rain. वो खुद को बारिश में घर लेकर गई. Herself is using as a reflexive pronoun for she. Number 2, be careful with the knife, you can cut yourself. छुरी से एहतियात से काम लो, तुम खुद को जख्मी कर सकती हो. Yourself is a reflexive pronoun for you. Number 3, Mohib is looking at himself in the mirror. Mohib खुद को शीशे में देख रहा है. Himself is a reflexive pronoun for Mohib. Number 4, Samia has hurt herself. Samia ने खुद को जख्मी कर दिया. Herself is a reflexive pronoun for Samia. Number 5, our cat cleans itself after each meal. हमारी बिल्ली हर खाने के बाद खुद को साफ करती है. Itself is a reflexive pronoun for cat. Number 6, she has not cut herself. उसने खुद को जख्मी नहीं किया. Herself is a reflexive pronoun for she. Number 7, baby birds are too young to look after themselves. छोटे परिंदे खुद का ख्याल रखने के लिए बहुत छोटे हैं. Themselves is a reflexive pronoun for baby birds. Now turn page to 52. Look at exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronouns as given in the options. Students, in this exercise, you have to choose the right reflexive pronoun. First one is no one can help us. We have to help dash. Himself, yourself, ourselves, themselves. The right option is ourselves because the reflexive pronoun for we is ourselves. No one can help us. We have to help ourselves. कोई भी हमारी मदद नहीं करेगा, हम खुद अपनी मदद करेंगे. Number 2, they painted dash as beggars. Yourselves, themselves, ourselves, himself. The reflexive pronoun for they is themselves. They painted themselves as beggars. उन्होंने खुद को भिखारी के तौर पर रंगा. Number 3, I heard dash in the playground yesterday. Yourselves, themselves, himself, myself. The reflexive pronoun for I is myself. I hurt myself in the playground yesterday. मैंने कल खुद को खेल के मैदान में जख्मी किया. Number 4, children, you have made dash mad. Yourselves, themselves, itself, ourselves. The reflexive pronoun for you is yourselves. Children, you have made yourselves mad. बच्चों, तुमने खुद को पागल बनाया हुआ है. Number 5, the dog is scratching dash. Herself, himself, itself, myself. The reflexive pronoun for dog is itself. The dog is scratching itself. कुत्ता खुद को खारिश कर रहा है. Now look at exercise B. Choose the correct interrogative pronouns to complete the sentences. Students, first of all, you have to know the Urdu meanings of these interrogative pronouns. As you know, these are all interrogative pronouns. So the meaning of what, kya, which, kaunsa, whose, kiska, who, kaun, whom, kisse, how, kaisa. Now look at number 1. Dash is the matter with you. The right option is what. What is the matter with you? आपके साथ क्या मामला है? Number 2. Dash invented the computer. The right answer is who. Who invented the computer? Computer किसने इजाद किया? Number 3. Dash of the twins is older. The right answer is which. Which of the twins is older? दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है? Number 4. Dash do you wish to speak to? The right answer is whom. Whom do you wish to speak to? आप किस से बोलना पसंद करेंगे? Number 5. Dash car is this in front of our house? The right answer is whose. Whose car is this in front of our house? हमारे घर के सामने किसकी गाड़ी खड़ी है? Number 6. Dash knows the answer. The right answer is who. Who knows the answer? कौन जवाब जानता है? Number 7. Dash would you like to drink? The right answer is what. What would you like to drink? आप क्या पीना पसंद करेंगे? Number 8. Dash is the word for a stamp collector. The right option is what. What is the word for a stamp collector? मोहर जमा करने वाले के लिए क्या लफ्ज़ बोलते हैं? Students, now come to page number 53. Look at part 4, scrambled sentences. Statements are sentences that give you information about something. Statements end with a full stop. Statements यानी बयान ऐसे जुमले हैं जिसमें आपको किसी चीज़ के बारे में मालूमात फराहम की जाती हैं. Statements के इख्तिताम में full stop इस्तेमाल होता है. Questions are sentences that ask you something. Questions end with a question mark. और सवालात वो जुमले होते हैं जिसमें आपसे कुछ पूछा जाए और questions के end में question mark का इस्तेमाल होता है. Directions: unscramble the words to form a question and a statement. Students, in this exercise, you have to rearrange the words and make a question as well as a statement. As number 1 is already being done for you. My is favorite basketball sport. So you have to arrange these words and make a question as well as a statement. Look at the question. Is basketball my favorite sport? Question mark. Statement. Basketball is my favorite sport. Full stop. Students, as you can see that I have solved the rest of the exercise on a paper because of the minimum space on the book. But if you want to solve it on your book, so you can solve it on your book. Now look at number 2. Those are ready cookies eat too. Question. Are those cookies ready to eat? Question mark. क्या वो cookies, biscuits खाने के लिए तैयार हैं? Statement. Those cookies are ready to eat. Full stop. वो cookies खाने के लिए तैयार हैं. Number 3. The in yard there rabbit is. Question. Is there rabbit in the yard? Question mark. क्या वहाँ सहन में खरगोश है? Statement. There is rabbit in the yard. Full stop. वहाँ सहन में खरगोश है. Number 4. Very the hot is stove. Question. Is the stove very hot? Question mark. क्या चूल्हा बहुत गर्म है? Statement. The stove is very hot. Full stop. चूल्हा बहुत गर्म है. Number 5. Borrow I may that book you from? Question. May I borrow that book from you? Question mark. क्या मैं आपकी किताब उधार ले सकता हूँ या ले सकती हूँ? Statement. I may borrow that book from you. मैं आपकी किताब उधार ले सकता हूँ या ले सकती हूँ. Number 6. Going for to his Saturday is the shopping mall on? Question. Is he going to the shopping mall on this Saturday? Question mark. क्या वो इस हफ्ते शॉपिंग मॉल जा रहा है? Statement. He is going to the shopping mall on this Saturday. Full stop. वो इस हफ्ते शॉपिंग मॉल जा रहा है. Got it? So students, this is the end of part 2, book exercises, and we will do written work in our next class. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.